Hi, I'm Marissa Kobe, and I'm the head content strategist at Merchant Words.
And I'm Bailey. I'm your resident content writer, so I do all of those blogs you've been reading. So we're going to go over Amazon's December news. First of all, Black Friday. We would be remiss if we didn't mention it. The top categories are toys, home, fashion, and then health and personal care. I know personally, I bought sheets on Black Friday. Everyone else buying Echo Dots, Fire TVs, sticks, and the Instapot. Okay, what's next, Marissa?
Next on our list, we have updates to the Subscribe and Save program. I don't know if you're familiar with this, Bailey, but Amazon is rolling out a bunch of products that will be automatically added to this program. And for customers who buy 5 or more products, they will get a 5% discount on their purchase.
Ooh, I love. Amazon is also launching a smart shelf. So that's a physical shelf that business owners can buy, and then they'll place products on top of it. And as they're used, Amazon records that. And when it runs low, it will automatically buy new ones. So good news if you sell office supplies on Amazon.
And if you're thinking about expanding to other marketplaces, you might want to pause if you were thinking about India. Amazon and Walmart have been slowed down in their growth there because of a local e-commerce store.
Awesome. And Amazon is introducing increased functionality to the brand registry. You can go in and find a whole bunch of cool new tools that will help you to promote your products, like live streaming on Amazon, which we saw on Black Friday. That's it for our Amazon news this December. We will be bringing you this segment every month, so please join us on our blog in January. We'll see you guys then.
Wait, you forgot to say that.
Subscribe to the blog.
Subscribe? Where's the button? Where's the button?
Do we have a button?
I don't even know. Is there a link? Subscribe. 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 All right, we're done. We are so done.